In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize modules and fields in Zoho CRM. Whether you're looking to streamline your workflow or keep certain information confidential, understanding how to make fields invisible is a crucial skill in managing your CRM effectively. To get started, first make sure you're logged into your Zoho CRM through the Chrome browser. Using Chrome ensures that you have the best compatibility and performance when working with Zoho's powerful suite of tools. Once logged in, you're going to head toward a section called Setup. You can find this by looking for the gear icon, which is usually located in the upper right corner of your screen. Click on it to open up a wide range of customization and configuration options that Zoho offers. Within the Setup menu, look for Modules and Fields. This is where you can truly tailor your Zoho CRM to meet your specific needs. Click on this section to dive in. Now, you'll be presented with a list of all the modules available in your CRM. These might be modules like contacts, leads, or deals, depending on how you've set up your system. Choose the module you wish to customize. This is where you get to decide what information is essential and what can be tucked away neatly out of sight. After selecting the module, your next step is to locate the specific fields you want to make invisible. Fields are essentially the individual data points within a module, like an email address or a phone number in the Contacts module. As you browse through these fields, think about which ones you want to keep visible and which ones are okay to hide from certain users or profiles. It is a good practice to have a clear idea of your visibility goals before proceeding, as this will help you stay organized and efficient. Now, once you've identified the fields to hide, you will need to use the field properties to change their visibility settings. Find the option to change field properties next to each field. It's here that Zoho allows you to set visibility rules, enabling you to make fields invisible either for all users or just certain profiles. This granular level of control ensures that only the right eyes see the right information. Always double check that the settings align with your privacy and workflow objectives. After updating the field properties, don't forget to save your changes. This step is crucial. You don't want to lose your customizations, but don't stop there. Always test the visibility settings you've applied to verify they work as intended. Logging in as different types of users can help you confirm that the right fields are hidden for the correct profiles or user roles. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can keep your CRM's interface clean and user-friendly, focusing on exactly what your team needs to see. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy customizing!